what we're going to do now is we're going to find ways to put the ability back in your life para makadagan mo balik swim, bike, run, basketball, soccer, taekwondo. We've treated a lot of different mga athletes, professional and semi-professional, and the occasional na recreational athlete ka nang magdagandagan lang every Saturday, Sunday. We're going to put the ability back in your life. And again, not everyone needs surgery, but if you have a knee injury, please do consult your doctor po. But we're trying to answer all these questions from you guys. And if you are finding valuable information in this live, please like, please follow and share this sa inyong mga friends. Share this with your friends. And we will get back. Sir Jake, good evening, Sad. Sir Jake is asking, Doc, ACL tear po ba kung magluhod niya, mag-fully bend siya na mulak? So actually, locking can be a sign of ACL, but it can also be a sign of other injuries, meniscus injuries. It could be also a sign of ligament injuries. And really, the best thing that you can do, Sir Jake, is see a orthopedic para mag face-to-face physical examination. I really want to be able to examine a patient's knee, check, because kanang locking can be different things, not just an ACL.